Good day, students. For a new topic, we will have the rational algebra expression. Our learning competency here will be illustrate rational algebraic expression and simplifies rational algebraic expressions. Our unpacked learning competencies here is to identify and illustrate rational algebraic expressions and simplifies rational algebraic expression. Now, rational expression is a fractional expression that has a polynomial in the numerator and a non-zero polynomial in the denominator. Let's try to have some example for rational expression. Here example number 1. We have 2x plus 8 all over 2. Then the example number 2, we have 3 all over 3x plus 15. Then, in example number 3, we have 2x squared plus 1 and all over 3x squared minus 1. Example number 4, we have 3x squared minus 39x plus 120 all over 2x squared minus 50. Then, number 5, we have 6x squared minus 19x plus 3 all over 4x squared minus 36. Then for the last one, we have 12x squared minus 20x plus 8 all over 2x squared minus 8. That is the example of rational algebraic expression. Now, we're proceeding to simplifying the rational expression. Simplifying rational expression, you need to factor out the numerator and denominator. Here it is. So, in simplifying rational expression, to simplify a rational expression means to write the fraction so there are no common factors other than 1 or negative 1. Now, let's try to have an example. Here, before we have the example, here are the steps to simplify a rational expression. First, factor the numerator and the denominator. Second, cancel or reduce the fraction. Then the last one is rewrite the remaining factor. Here it is. Example number 1. In example number 1, we have the given x minus 2 all over x squared minus 4. Now first, we have x minus 2, then x squared minus 4. First, x minus 2 has no factor, but x squared minus 4 has it is. Using the difference of 2 squared, we will have to factor the numerator and denominator. We have x minus 2, then x plus 2. Next is to cancel or reduce the fraction. What you will see in the numerator and denominator just to cancel it. Like this one, x minus 2, the numerator, x minus 2 in the denominator. Cancel, then cancel. Then rewrite the remaining factor, which is 1 all over x plus 2. That's the answer. Next, let's try to have another example. Example number 2, we have the given a squared plus 2a all over 2a plus 4. In the given example, we will use the common monomial factor. First step is to factor the numerator and the denominator. We will have a quantity of a plus 2, then 2 quantity of a plus 2. Then the next step is to cancel out or reduce the fraction. So, cancel a plus 2, cancel a plus 2. Then, last step is to rewrite the remaining factor. The remaining factor is a all over 2. Okay, now for our third example, we will have the given x squared minus 5x plus 4 all over x squared minus 1. So for the first step, factor the numerator and the denominator. To factor the numerator, we will use the trial and error. And to factor the denominator, we will use the difference of 2 squared. So here it is, x minus 4, then x minus 1. Then in the denominator, we have x minus 1, then x plus 1. For the second step is to cancel or reduce the fraction. So we need to cancel x minus 1 from the numerator x minus 1 for the denominator. Then for the last step is to rewrite the remaining factor, which is x minus 4 for the numerator and x plus 1 for the denominator. That is our answer. Now, for our fourth example, we have the given y squared minus 9y plus 20 all over y squared minus 6y plus 8. So we will use now here the trial and error or the general trinomial in factoring this equation. So first, factor the numerator and the denominator. In the numerator, we have y minus 5 and y minus 4. And our denominator, we have y minus 2 and y minus 4. The next step here is to cancel or reduce the fraction. Y minus 4 cancel from the numerator, then y minus 4 from the denominator. Then for the last step is to rewrite the remaining factor, which is y minus 5 all over y minus 2. And for our last example, we have 64x cubed minus 1 and 16x squared plus 4x plus 1. So for the numerator, we will use the sum and difference of two cubes. So factor the numerator and the denominator. We have 4x minus 1 and 16x squared plus 4x plus 1. Then the denominator is the itself, because we do not have any factor from it. Then next step is to cancel or reduce the fraction. So from the numerator, we will cancel 16x squared plus 4x plus 1. And from the denominator, we will cancel the denominator. Now, rewrite the remaining factor. The remaining factor is 4x minus 1. And that's it for the rational algebraic expression. Thank you for listening and bye.